I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on AOL. For that you'll need to open up your browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to use Google. After you open up your web browser, search AOL.com on your search bar. This way you will directly land on AOL's website. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on your top right. There on your left hand side you'll see the option of login or join. Tap on it. Now tap on create an account. Enter your first name and your last name. Create an email address. Set a password. Select your country code and enter your mobile number. After that, select your birthday and enter your gender. When you are done, tap on continue. Tap on the small square box which is in front of I am not a robot and solve the puzzle to verify you are a human. After you are done, select continue. After that, tap on text me a verification code. Now, AOL will send you a verification code on your phone number. Enter your verification code and then tap on verify. Your account has now been created. Tap on done. This way you can sign up on AOL. Now you can get trending news, read and send emails, check the weather, get important alerts and share with friends. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.